Linux is everywhere, and we need people who can support it. For example, if you have an Android phone, this happens to be an Android phone, probably no way you can tell. That's a Linux operating system. They just rebranded it and call it Android. Linux is in your automobiles, it's in the cloud. If you're a cybersecurity worker, you need to have it. That's why the industry asked us, hey, you need to have a Linux education standard out there. So we created Linux Plus. As far as choices are concerned, there's Red Hat Linux, there's LPI Linux as far as education programs. What sets Linux Plus apart is a couple of things. First of all, we have made this a very hands-on exam. It's a single exam. It's something that we feel is a tough one, but it's also achievable, more affordable, and it really focuses on the essential skills that you need to know today. So whether you're working with somebody who's a security professional and maybe needs to hone his or her skills a little bit more, Linux is a great option. Another thing that's important to understand about Linux Plus is that it focuses on understanding in an IoT kind of world. Whether you're a developer or an administrator of IoT, what are the important skills that a Linux person needs to have? Also from a cybersecurity and a cloud perspective. Companies that use Linux Plus and organizations that use Linux Plus include, there's so many, let's see, University of Cambridge, for example, in the UK. We see Dell using it. We see a lot of finance and financial organizations using Linux Plus because they see that it fits their needs as they move to the cloud and elsewhere.